Hey, good evening, everyone. A little weather diversion for you. A little bit of wind out there tonight, but just stopping in to say hello for a few minutes, give you an update, see how you all are doing, and then send you all into the windy night. A little bit of a breeze on the flag there at Conneaut Lake. Hello, Robert Rame. Hello, Celine, the airport queen. Looked a little windy over there as well. Darlene, good to see you. We've got some wind, but we still have some mild temperatures, which is kind of cool for another day here. And then it's going to get cold, and then it's going to snow again. Thomas Carlucci, good to see you. Tammy from Lake City. Cole, hello. Let me get over to the airport, take a look at the flags over there. I want to just see if they look a little bit stronger. Latest gust I had was 23 miles per hour, which is no great shakes for Erie, but with the wind advisory that's in effect, we do expect to go probably to gusts of 45 miles per hour later tonight and during the day tomorrow. So, once again, kids, it's another windy, at least 24-hour period coming up in our area. So you see the flag kind of stretching out in Conneaut Lake there, and you can kind of barely see what's going on here behind the she shed there. Hello, Celine. Good to have you on the boards tonight. Let me catch up with you guys, and then we'll do a little weather. Jane Ross, so long time no see. Happy New Year. Good to see you. JB from Black Ash, Chatty Cathy from Youngsville, Julie G, Union C. Hello, Amy. Hello, Kelly. Hello, Annie B from Canada Lake. Hello, Angela, Bill Scott, Cindy, Darla, Lynn, Linda, and on the lake in Harbor Creek. Possible outage? Well, you can never rule them out when they get close to 50. Wind definitely making it feel colder. Now, if you're in sheltered areas, you don't get as much wind, like Youngsville in Warren County. Hello to Brian, long time. You guys have been busy down there in Bama with storms. Hope you're doing all right, and your property. Miriam, long time no see. Sherry Meter, Crystal River greeter. Was it cold today in Crystal River? Again, the Floridians were speaking out on the nightcap last night. They were wearing, parkas or something. Anna, good to see you. Norma, hello. Yeah, pretty sad. That place just can't get a break. I don't even, that's just too sad. I don't even want to talk about it. I know they're going to have more on the news tonight about it. Mary Cochran Fisher, so good to see you. Thanks for being here tonight. Holly, are you enjoying the break from Barron? Hope you are. Kara from Cambridge. Jean, Jane, what do you need here? How does next Tuesday look for flying out of Erie? Cold, windy, and snowy. Well, at least cold and windy with some snow. Wanda, are you okay? Good to hear from you, but I don't know if you're a patient or an employee. I hope you're okay. Brian, thanks for the temp in Fairview. Yeah, you're going back next week, as we are. All right. Let's see. All right. So are you on the case tonight? I can't see the person in there. Michael, good to have you back. Sherry got to 68. Well, that's better than 45. Crystal River, yes. Well, Linda, you can talk to Sherry. Talia Finiati, oh my gosh, you're back again. Thank you again. Speaking of going back to work at Barron's. Hello, young lady. Bama Blizzard, there you go, 2 inches. Sweet Home, Alabama. Wow. Adam Pierce, good to see you. So it's a little blustery out there. And let me get you into some graphics so we can make sense of all of this. Let us see what we can see. Here's a beautiful sunset from tonight. And thanks to Kenny, we have had so many great sunsets in our area in December, certainly, which was, very warm and less snowy than usual. I also want to do a plug for Mount Pleasant. Those guys are opening up snowing and skiing and snowboarding Friday at 11 a.m. So thanks, Andrew Halmy. Obviously, they've been making snow out at Mount Pleasant. They've groomed some trails, so rock on. Skiers and snowboarders. Yes, January is going to be a little different than December. Even though it's mild today and tomorrow, some snow is on the way. So just wanted to make you aware of that, outdoor winter sports enthusiasts. So here's what's going on. We're up to 9 hours, 15 minutes of daylight. That increases by a minute a day now. Temperatures will actually rise late tonight. It'll be windy tomorrow and mild, and then it'll be colder with more snow later in the week, especially Thursday night and into Friday. And it will get cold again. I mean, I'm talking about highs in the 20s again, like we had yesterday for Thursday and Friday. But none of that right now. 37 in Erie, 32 Meadville, 31 in Warren, and stuff like that. 30 in Franklin, and 30 in Bradford. Let me get you full screen. It'd be much easier for you guys to see what's going on here. Let's see. Thank you, Linda. Climate is cold. Jamie. Let's see. Anybody else? Hello, Kathy. Hello, Jessica Marie. And that's the $1 million question. How much are we going to get? Because it's a little bit early. Now, if you're in Erie, I think it's plowable, Thursday night and Friday, 3 inches or more. But if you're in the snow belts into Friday, it may be more like 5 to 10. We'll check that out, as we go through the next 24 hours, kind of nail that down. When is it going to warm up? It's warming up right now. Actually, temperatures, and that's a great question there, because if you look at what's happened in the last 24 hours, the temperature change, it's all up. I mean, it's 15 degrees warmer in Erie right now than it was this time last night. So this is a warm up. There'll be another one over the weekend, and then there'll be another big chill Monday and Tuesday. So, this is a different month than last month, although it's going to be, up and down. It's still going to resemble a lot more winter-like than December did. Brenda Fogel, good to see you. Lisa, good to see you from Sugar Creek. Jessica Marie, Youngsville. Yeah, we got to look at that. We do, and we will. Still cold in Alabama, Harry says. Sweet home Alabama. Ohio earthquake. Yeah, they seem to have a lot of them out there. That one centered just off Lake County. And then there was the meteor boom on New Year's Eve down in Pittsburgh. And then there was the thunderstorms New Year's Eve here in Erie and Crawford. So here's the map. Red streamers, southerly winds, warm temperatures. Hello, Penny. Yeah, well, you won't have too much trouble tonight and tomorrow as the temperatures go up into the 40s. So then we go into tomorrow, the clouds increase, and afternoon, late afternoon, see there, I'll zoom in for you a little bit. Could get a rain or snow shower, but that's not really a big deal. It's still blustery, temperatures in the 40s. And then tomorrow night, might get clipped along the lakeshore late at night. See that little band from Erie up into Chautauqua County? Might be a little bit tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. Some places could get an inch, 2 or 3 there. But as you can see, it's a north of 90 proposition there. Okay. So a lot of Thursday is okay. It's what's going to come up from the south. Now you see this Thursday evening, we're going to get hit from the south right there. And then it's going to transition into a lake effect on Friday morning. So there could be a good thumping of snow here. And you can see those winds going off the water there. That's pretty strong. So blustery, windy, cold. And then on Saturday, I mean, this is weather in the nutshell. You go from blustery, cold northwest winds back to southerly winds. So it starts to warm up again Saturday. And I believe we have rain showers Sunday. And then Monday and Tuesday, you go back into the deep freeze. So, follow the bouncing thermometer and barometer. The only big snow will be on St. Patrick's Day. Is that a forecast? Because really, it's big snows on St. Patrick's Day here in Erie are not very common. It's, in 1936, there was a 12 to 14-inch snowstorm on St. Patrick's Day, which set forth this this legend, right? But most of the time, it doesn't snow at all on St. Patrick's Day. It's kind of weird that way. But what would be normal about Erie weather, right? Um, Sorry about that, Darlene. Solitaire, hope you're doing better. And so why don't I just give you a St. Patrick's Day, a St. Patrick's Day. How about a 7-day? I can't look Daniel out to St. Patrick's Day. I'm not that smart. I have enough trouble with the next 7. So now we can answer your question. When is it going to warm up? Well, right now, and then over the weekend, and then it's going to drop again. We are all decorated for Valentine's Day. That's cool. Good to know that. So there you go. And what else do we have? That's the main thing I wanted to show you guys, the up and down nature of the situation. So we get hit, especially Thursday night and Friday with cold and snow. Then we relax on Saturday, and then we rain on Sunday, and then we go back to some lake effect and some very cold temperatures early next week. So that's what's going on there. Thanks, Paul. You have a St. Patrick's Day song, Solitaire. Please feel free to send it in the next 2 months. Good evening, Bill Dennis. Good evening, David. Good to see you. Happy New Year, Jane Ross. Marcella, how are things in Austin, Texas? So I hope you get the gist of this 7-day, because I want to take a quick little radar coast to coast here. And these are just all these advisories and stuff. So what we have here, we do have a wind advisory for tomorrow here along the lakeshore from 7 a.m. to midnight. So that means close to the water, you could get some gusts to 45. But, even if you're in the other areas and you don't have an advisory, Corey, Wattsburg, Edinboro, Meadville, Titusville, Pittsfield, Warren, you're still going to get a bunch of wind tomorrow. When on Thursday, I think it's later in the day. I mean, you could have a little bit in the morning and a little bit later in the afternoon, but I think it's more Thursday evening. So good luck. And Marcella, we don't want to forget you guys down in Texas. Look at this, out in the east, winter weather advisories again. All right, so those guys who just got pelted with snow. Not a whole lot going on down south. Sherry looks pretty nice down there in the Crystal River area. Good stuff there. We do have this. I want to show you temps and then radar, because it's kind of cool. There's not a whole lot going on anywhere in the U.S. as far as radar is concerned. Solitaire in Chicago, winter weather advisory. You get one of those for the next 24 hours. And do we have anybody else here from out of town? Marcella. That's why I use this map. Austin, Marcella, hello. So sorry about that, Queen. Yes, there will be snow Thursday night into Friday morning. I don't know how that affects you. See, if I take all these colors off, which are the advisories and the warnings, you can see there's a little bit of snow up here and more in the Pacific Northwest, as well as some rain, but not a whole lot going on. So I love to use these high resolution temperatures just to show you what people are seeing all over. Like we here in Erie, we're, 32, 37 at the airport. Down in Florida, Sherry, you were saying 68, right? Yeah, there we go. 68. And Marcella, I don't know what you are in Austin, but it looks Looks kind of nice down there. So let me just guess and say 53. And solitaire in Chicago, how about 33? So just love to play with that a little bit, show you how cold it is, where it's snowing. Cindy Lee B, good to see you. Ernie, hello. Tammy Lopez. Yes, we did have what's called the sun pillar last night. I got a photo from somebody else. Did not get your photo, but that's okay. Maybe I just missed it. All right. Marcella has warmed up in Austin. David James, Central PA at 31. Very awesome. Yeah, Thomas Carlucci. The lake effect machine will refire, right? Now, if you're up here, it's really cold, like 2 degrees near Rapid City, South Dakota. So that's just kind of a quick peek at temperatures as opposed to precipitation. It's kind of cool. We like it. Let me see if I got anything else for you guys before I have to say goodbye. Feel free to join us on the Nightcap tonight. We'll explore this further. Same Bat Facebook channel. And we've been known to look all around the country with weather cameras. And sometime, when I have some time, I will try doing that with you guys for this weather diversion. Because, yes, there have been some gorgeous shots we found all over the country, including Canada and Hawaii, which we can go to as well, which is also nice. But yeah, this was my sunset shot from tonight. But I know what you're talking about when you were saying there was what we call a sun pillar, and that was last night, and that was pretty darn cool. Because when it gets cold and you get the sun going down on the horizon, sometimes it shines this like vertical shaft of light, and with the ice crystals in the atmosphere, it forms, what meteorologists call a sun pillar. And Dave from downtown got that for me last night. There it is. Very cool. Cindy Lee, hello again. I'm going over some of my comments. Sorry. Thanks, Marcella. 55 wasn't that far off. I have not, Cindy Lee B. With all this COVID and stuff, and school and holidays, I haven't yet. But mark my word, I will get there in 2022. All right. So there you guys go. Got to take my break. Great hanging out with you. Thank you so much for being a part of the show. I'll be back later tonight with much more. Take care of yourselves and each other. Make the most of the weather, whatever you have. And hopefully, we'll see you later tonight or tomorrow. Have a good evening, everybody.